Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna sandwich for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of light tuna and water, 2 slices of whole wheat bread, and about 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. These simple swaps significantly reduce calories and boost protein, making your sandwich a much healthier option. Now, let's prepare the tuna mixture. Open and drain your can of tuna very well to remove all the water. In a small bowl, combine the drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. Stir this together until it's well mixed. For added texture and nutrients, finely chop about 1/4 cup of celery and mix it in. To enhance the flavor, add a pinch of black pepper and a dash of paprika to your tuna mixture. Give it a final stir. Now, take 1 slice of your whole wheat bread and spread the prepared tuna mixture evenly across it. For a fresh touch, add a crisp lettuce leaf and a thin slice of tomato on top. For an even lighter option, consider making this an open-faced sandwich using just 1 slice of bread. You can also pair your tuna sandwich with a small side salad for extra vegetables and fiber. This easy and delicious tuna sandwich is a fantastic way to enjoy a satisfying meal while supporting your weight loss goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.